Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with TK. Today you guys, I'm going to show you how to make cinnamon raisin biscuit bites. That's right, cinnamon raisin biscuit bites. They're very delicious and easy to make. Let's get into this video. Okay everyone, in order to make our cinnamon pull apart biscuits, you're gonna need some biscuit dough I'm using a canned biscuit from the grocery store. Okay, you're gonna need some powdered sugar. You're gonna need some melted butter. You're gonna need some brown sugar, some vanilla extract. It can be imitation or real, just vanilla flavoring. You're gonna need just a little bit of milk, about 2 tablespoons of milk. You can get just a regular cinnamon, but this is what I had in my cabinet, some cinnamon toast crunch. So this is what I'm gonna use, the cinnamon toast crunch seasoning blend. Okay, so the first step is to take your biscuit dough and you're gonna cut it into 4. So just cut your pieces into 4. Try to get one big enough where you don't have to cut them into 4s. Okay? So that's what I'm doing here. I'm going to cut these into 4. Okay, so here in the melted butter, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in some powdered sugar, some milk, and the vanilla flavoring. This is going to be our icing. So let me add in about a tablespoon of vanilla flavoring, tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of milk, and now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add in the powdered sugar. And I'm just going to mix this together, everyone. Okay, everyone, so we are going to add some brown sugar. Use about 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Also, I'm going to use some cinnamon toast crunch cinnamon dust seasoning. You can use regular cinnamon if you like. Also going to add some raisins. Now I am going to mix everything together. The cinnamon, the brown sugar, and the raisins. Just mix it all together and mix it really well. Now add in some melted butter on top of your cinnamon biscuit bites. Now I'm going to drizzle over some of the icing we made. After you put your icing on, you are going to bake your cinnamon bites in your oven at 350 degrees for 12 to 14 minutes or until your biscuits are nice and done on the inside. Here, you guys, I have taken mine out of the oven. Everything is nice and done. You see the beautiful golden brown color on top. You can take a toothpick to put it inside to check to make sure that it's done. And then once it is done, go ahead and take some more of your icing and drizzle it on top. Remember to use as much or as little icing as you like for your cinnamon biscuit bites. Some people call them cinnamon roll bites, but whatever you would like to call them, they're extremely delicious. I'm calling mine cinnamon raisin biscuit bites because I chose to add raisins, and boy, it adds a lot of flavor. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video with Cooking with TK Cinnamon Raisin Biscuit Bites. Please try this recipe and do me a favor. Share this video out with each and everyone you know. Share it to your Facebook page. Share it on your Instagram. Please leave me comments down below if you guys tried this recipe before and tell me how you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for tuning in with Cooking with TK, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified each and every time I upload a video. Peace. Have a great day.